Because you want to.
So you were saying something about section 1 of pace. Let me hear that.
Okay, no, you carry on. You want to talk, obviously.
No, I want to hear you talk about.
So what questions do you have for us?
Police code of practice. Let me hear about the pace.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, no, you were saying something about section 1. No, let's hear about that. Yeah, I'm gonna film your face.
What I'll do, I'll film my face. That's
yeah,
fine. I'm gonna go this way now, and I'm just gonna go to the supervisor.
Footage courtesy of Koleeberks. Link in description. Subscribe to Law Lines, where clarity, rights, and truth come first. It only takes a single misquoted law to change a routine interaction into a moment worth examining. And here in Brighton, that moment arrives without hesitation.
An armed response vehicle, amongst other things. So yeah, let's get a little shot of the car. Lovely and colourful. So Sussex Police doing their bit to promote pride and other such things. Sussex pride. So I'm gonna reserve any sort of political comment, but yeah, that's tax money is being spent to colour in cars. So that's cool.
The exchange begins quietly, shaped by simple questions, a camera, a public building, and officers who aren't quite sure what to make of it. Observation becomes conversation, and conversation quickly becomes concern.
Yeah, rainbow cars, not that scary. But yeah, we'll pick this back up inevitably. Like it's completely open. Like, I don't know. They're obviously not worried about. Look, there's no gate. There's nothing. I think people filming is probably the least of their concerns. Oh, they're looking at me a bit weirdly. Yeah, calm.
Their uncertainty grows more visible as the filming continues. They attempt to steer him away without admitting discomfort, but public spaces allow public scrutiny, and that truth stays firm.
Filming.
What are you filming for? Anything exciting?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Are you exciting?
I don't know, am I?
Could you identify?
Sorry?
Could you identify
Identify what?
yourself?
I don't need to, do I? Hello, you're right.
Do you not? I think you do when a member of the public asks you to identify. You should really.
You can see my warrant number. You can see my
Okay.
warrant
Is that how you would identify to a judge?
To a judge?
Yeah. Would you just do that? Would you?
That's a bit different though, isn't it?
Well, why is it different? You serve the public.
Yeah,
Do you not?
You're not a judge, are you?
I'm.
Verification is simple. Show the patch, show the name, show the role. Yet even these basics prompt hesitation, revealing more than intended. Transparency shouldn't be complicated, but sometimes it becomes exactly that.
Yes.
My name?
Yes.
My name's Ali.
Okay. Nice.
Alright?
Cool.
Okay, cool. So what are you doing?
Making a video.
What are you making a video for?
Brighton Police Station video.
Brighton Police Station video.
I like the colourful cars. I don't think that.
One?
Yeah.
It's not too bad, is it?
Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you at all?
No. Why would I?
Well, just because you're taking a video of the police station and I'm not
Is that
wondering why.
is that
Well,
a problem?
It can be.
Why could it be?
Why?
Yeah. How can?
Suspicious becomes a stand-in for discomfort rather than danger. Public photography has no requirement for approval or permission. Still, the label appears hoping to justify a challenge that isn't supported by law.
I'm such a detainer.
Alright, why are you bringing up section 1 of pace? Let's get this right now, yeah? Let's not make any mistakes now, yeah?
Why are you videoing me?
Because I want to.
Because you want to.
So you were saying something about section 1 of pace. Let me hear that.
Okay, no, you carry on. You want to talk, obviously.
No, I want to hear you talk about.
So what questions do you have for us?
Police code of practice. Let me hear about the pace.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, no, you were saying something about section 1. No, let's hear about that. Yeah, I'm gonna film your face.
What I'll do, I'll film my face. That's
Yeah,
absolutely
well.
fine. I'm gonna go this way now, and I'm just gonna go to the supervisor. Are you alright just monitoring? Yeah.
Monitoring what?
Security is important, but it must be grounded in actual risk. Here, no risk exists beyond the presence of a lens, and when the justification is thin, the unease becomes clearer than the threat.
You see how she tried to apply a bit of pressure, and when I wasn't having it, she backpedaled quickly. So that's a sign of a bully. Do you understand? You know what a bully will pick on someone until they kind of fight back, and then they won't. So I'm not implying that you are. I'm just saying, learn from that and make sure you don't never act like that with a member of the public.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You understand? Good.
Her confidence fades once she realizes the law isn't on her side. The insistence softens, replaced with caution. Knowledge reshapes the power dynamic almost instantly.
Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, my name's Alicia, so my shoulder number's there.
Okay. Hello, Alicia. So these are the police fitness standards as well, by the way. So am I being detained or anything?
What do you mean, police fitness standards?
I'm just assessing standards.
I think you're just here to cause trouble.
Okay.
So literally, why else? You got better things to do today than just
No.
film a...
Reinforcement arrives, bringing rank and a different tone with it. Questions sharpen, posture stiffens, and the environment grows more formal. The situation shifts from curiosity to interrogation, at least briefly.
Police station.
No. So if I was to run away, do you reckon you could catch me?
I wouldn't chase you. Hiya.
So am I being detained? Can I go? You don't want to answer questions, though? Alright.
Topic changes from filming to symbolism. He questions the altered flag stitched onto their uniforms, and suddenly, this becomes a conversation about representation, not recording.
Well, what difference does it make if I'm stood there or here?
I'm going to say this to you once and
Right.
once only. This is a public domain, okay?
Yeah, I know.
This wall.
And I can film your face in public
Yeah,
as
you
well.
can film my. Well, I'm not in public at the moment, though, am I? I'm in
I can
police
film you
station.
there as well.
Right.
Anything I can see from public.
Right, so just talking over me, can you please listen?
I'm listening.
Okay. You can stand in the public domain.
You can't
which
arrest
is
me
on
for
this
trespass
wall.
either. You'll be.
Trespass is mentioned, but the law behind it is missing. Civil matters cannot be enforced through threat or command. The gap between policy and legal authority becomes unmistakable.
Yeah, you don't though. You don't. Your supervisor gave you advice and now you backpedaled. What's going on? Can you have a word with that lady, please?
What's going on?
Can you identify?
Yeah. What happened? I mean, I just walked by, so
She tried to say.
Correction isn't confrontation, it's clarity. And clarity reveals when instructions lack legal grounding. The officer adjusts, realizing the limits of her authority.
Say that I couldn't film. She tried to put her hands on me.
Okay.
She tried to threaten me with section 1 of PACE.
Okay.
She tried to tell me that I could be arrested for trespassing.
Okay.
As you know, trespass is a civil matter. So lots of mistakes,
Okay.
lots of things that probably could have been handled a lot better.
Could I just go back? I mean, what is the reason why?
I'm
you're
just filming.
For what? Like, are you a blogger or?
It doesn't matter. I don't need to have a reason, to be fair.
Okay. So
But we're not going to be petty over whether I'm standing here or here, are we?
Obviously, obviously.
Can I see your designation card quickly? Yeah, I'm listening.
Designation.
Our police officer
Yeah.
colleague just asking you to step over there.
Yeah, I know.
He urges him to move, but provides no lawful basis. Requests become directives. Directives become suggestions. And in that transition, the imbalance of power becomes visible.
Stand there or there. What can I possibly achieve from here? You're just exercising jurisdiction unnecessarily.
I mean, what is the reason why? I mean, are you a blogger? That's what I was.
Can I see your designation card before I
my
engage with you?
designation is PC.
No,
so-
you have a designation card which shows me
My
what powers you
card,
have.
yeah.
No, designation card because you're a
No,
PCSO.
we don't carry.
Oh, you should really.
The exchange ends without escalation, charges, or action. Just a quiet realization that no offense occurred, and that calmness outlasts pressure every time. Trespass on public accessible police land is a civil matter, not grounds for arrest unless specific circumstances apply. Standing, filming, or observing is lawful when done from public areas.
I know where it is. Yeah.
So, have you been in before?
I've never been here before. This is my first Brighton rodeo.
Oh, okay. Are you from Brighton?
No,
What would you know?
I'm not required to give names already.
No, you don't have to.
What's your name? Would you mind identifying?
Yeah, of course. I can tell you.
You're very friendly. Thanks.
No, that's fine. My name's.
A measured voice finally steps forward. No assumptions, no pressure, just clarity on boundaries and rights. A reminder that professionalism changes the entire tone of an encounter.
No names. No.
All right. Well, okay. You might have a busy afternoon with officers speaking.
I hope not.
And just please be mindful, this is a working police station.
Yes.
When officers get responsive to emergencies, they will be able to come out here. They'll have their lights on, you'll see them, but obviously this isn't the greatest place to be
Yeah.
standing with the cars coming in and out.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm not going to stand in the way of moving traffic.
No,
Don't worry
I
about it.
appreciate that, but as I say, I don't really care if you want to film. Police officers get filmed every day. It might be better just over there. You're going to get
All
the
right.
same
Well,
amount,
thanks for your
you're gonna get the
suggestion,
same
but.
amount, you're going to get the same amount of coverage.
All right.
You'll be
Okay.
safer.
You'll be safer.
All right. Thanks for looking out for my safety. I'll be able to look after it.
The final word is simple and accurate. Filming is allowed. No violations, no offenses, no grounds for intervention. Just a lawful activity documented in real time. Public photography is lawful. Suspicion alone isn't authority. If you value clear information and public transparency, share this video to help others understand their rights. Subscribe to Law Lines, where we examine policing with clarity, balance, and evidence.